Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. And thanks to my subscriber and friend Ryan for letting me know about this fragrance being at my local Burlington. I was able to find one there. Ryan hit me up on Instagram and said, hey, you might want to go check this out. I just grabbed this from my local Burlington and there's 5 left. So he happens to live in my area. I shot over there and was able to find this one. The scent we are talking about is Lattafa Camera. Now, I will not be able to pronounce this how it is probably pronounced, so bear with me, but doesn't matter. We're gonna bust this open. This one is super hyped. I've wanted to try this for a while. This is well known as a angel share clone, and let's see if it lives up to the hype, because this one is super hyped. As I always do, I'm gonna get this on skin, walk you guys through it, let you know what I think of the initial opening, check out the notes, and ultimately let you know if Camera from Lattafa is worth it. Let's get into it. So really quickly, I wanted to note the presentation here because I paid $34.99 and you don't typically see presentations like this at Burlington. So again, it's just another example of Middle Eastern fragrances kind of stepping it up a bit in terms of the overall presentation, particularly for this price point. But if you can see here, it has this kind of pull off top, and then this really nice presentation inside where the bottle sits. You have this kind of faux velvet bed in here, and then the bottle itself. And then you have this kind of reflective gold backing here. So really nice presentation overall. I like that quite a bit. And then you have the bottle, which obviously is very reminiscent of the Killian bottle as well for Angel Share. So let's take a look at the atomizer. I'm excited to try this one, guys, because it has been a long time coming. Pretty nice atomizer, not too bad. Let's get this right on skin. In the air, reminds me of, this might be the first time you've ever heard this described as this. It reminds me of Dunkin' Donuts.
I love Dunkin', guy. What are you talking about?
Walking in, smelling the donuts being made, coffee, even though I know coffee's not here, it has this sort of almost liqueur, cinnamony vibe to it. And it's just reminding me of Dunkin' Donuts, which is really not what I was expecting. But let's see what this does off of skin. Very fruity, sweet, warm, and spicy. Definitely a little bit of a boozy undertone here. So does it smell like my memory of Angel Share? No, it truly doesn't. It's not reminding me of that scent at all. So I'm sure that could change a little bit as this dries down and develops, but I just remember that fragrance. I don't own that scent. I've tested it a couple times, being much more cinnamon heavy than what I'm getting here. But so far, I'm really liking this one. It has this boozy, vanillic, creamy, spicy, warm way about it. And this is something that it reminds me of the holidays. That's kind of what this is reminding me of. Aside from being just reminding me of Dunkin' Donuts first thing in the morning, this is going to be cooler weather, date night, has a little bit of a sensual touch to it. The other thing that stands out to me here is the quality. This does not smell like a $34, $35 fragrance at all. Really great quality, very smooth, doesn't smell synthetic. And I'm definitely getting a coffee note here. I know it's not in here. I know that that is something that was added. Well, I guess I don't know if it's in here or not. I haven't looked at the notes, but I know what the flanker of this scent, and that is one that was released more recently. I think they added coffee to the DNA of this. So I don't know. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quickly, see what's in here, and then see how this changes. So the notes for Lattafa Camera, top notes are cinnamon, nutmeg, and bergamot. Mid notes are dates, praline, tuberose, and mahonial. And the base notes are vanilla, tonka bean, amberwood, myrrh, benzoin, and akigala wood. So I had to look on mahonial because apparently it is a molecule developed by Givaudan, who make fragrances. Lots of perfumers that you've heard of work for them directly, and it's supposed to represent a floral aspect to the scent, a softer floral. So I was curious about that being a synthetic molecule. But everything else here makes sense. The cinnamon, the nutmeg, the praline, adding that sweet richness to it, the vanilla. Yeah, really, really nice scent off of the skin. And yeah, there's this. I kind of like fragrances like this type of DNA, the warmth, the sweet, little bit fresh. It has a lot going on, but it all works perfectly together. One thing that stands out to me here is that this is perfectly unisex, in my opinion. Both men and women can pull this one off, and it truly does not lean one way or the other for me. So I would love to smell this on my wife, and I would also really love to smell this on myself. So not often does that happen with fragrance, but from time to time when it's done right, it's undeniable. This is an eau de parfum concentration. I don't know if you guys can make it out, but it has a really nice oil sheen on my hand. So they do not skim there with the oil. So overall, I'm really impressed with this scent. I think that this would be ideal for the cooler weather, holidays, nights out, evenings out. It's very well done, very well blended, smells of high quality, and whatever notes are being used here, they did perfectly. So really enjoy this one. It is living up to the hype for me. Now, I just really want to try the flanker. I think this is a steal for $35 personally. If you guys do come across this, this is one of the better pickups that I have made this year at the rack store without question, especially of the more recent Lattafa fragrances that I've come across. I haven't really been impressed with them, the more recent ones. So this one definitely is the standout and smells fantastic. As I always do, guys, I'm going to wear Camera this week and let you guys know a little bit more about the longevity, the overall performance, whether or not I got complimented on it, that type of thing, and give you guys more insight as to what that is in my weekly wears video, which drop every single Monday. So if you guys are not subscribed, be sure to do so. But as always, would love to know what you guys think of Lattafa's Camera. Is this one that you own? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Drop it in the comment section down below. But if you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.